everybody, so hopefully you've had a chance to practice what we were doing last time, and now I'm going to show you how to push it on. The one thing I forgot to mention last time is if any of you've got any young dogs, you might not want to use the plastic flower pots to begin with, and sometimes they can start picking those up and running around the garden with them, and that turns into a game in its own right. So what you might want instead is some bricks, bits of wood and some terracotta flower pots instead. What I've done today is we've already hidden the toy out there. Don't worry if you live by yourself. I used to literally just take Bonnie indoors, hide the item and then bring her out each time, but now I've got a glamorous assistant by way of a husband who can do that for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send her out, and then we'll have another go, hopefully if we get success. So the main thing is when they're out searching, don't keep giving them loads of extra find commands, because that can put them off. So if possible, just try and stay calm and quiet and let them use their nose and let them find it. So she found that nice and easy, so I'm just going to have a little game of tuggy with her to reward her for that. Well done. Okay, and then we're just going to hide it again and push it on a bit. Okay, so I've had Bonnie in a sit doing a watch me so that she couldn't cheat whilst Neil hid the item. Just going to set her up again. You're fine. Yay, well done, good girlie. So again, a nice big game when she finds it. Reward her for bringing it back to you. Don't do too much of this. It is mentally very challenging. But also, if you're using a soft toy, dogs have the ability to taste their scent. Their mouth can become dry very quickly with a soft toy and also on a hot day. So just bear that in mind when you're practicing. The reason we give scent is because at the moment she's going out looking for or sniffing the scent of my hand and the toy. But when you want to push this on, you can then have the dog go out and looking for other people's scents, or even other organisations such as Scentwork UK. They actually have them going out and they'll have them doing searches of cars, luggage, things like that, like these dogs do, and they'll have them searching for the smell of cloves or lavender oil. So the world is your oyster with this one. Again, have a practice of it, see how you get on, send in your videos and let us know. Thanks very much. Bye.